I'm Maurice Thompson, Director of the 1851 Center for Constitutional Law, and I'd like to share with you a recent 1851 Center victory in federal court. That decision comes in a case we've been litigating for 4 years. That case is Liberty Coins v. Ohio Department of Commerce. The decision holds several things that are favorable to Ohio entrepreneurs and property owners of any kind, really. The first is that when the state attempts to inspect your business records, it needs a warrant, just as if it were inspecting your home. And secondly, it holds that if you refuse or if you decline this inspection, the state cannot retaliate against you in any way. It can't prosecute you, it can't fine you, it can't subject you to professional discipline of any kind, and it cannot take away your business license. So there are 4 kinds of statutes that the court identified as unconstitutional. I want to make sure that you understand what each of those 4 are. Here are the 4 statutes that were invalidated in this case. First, a statute declaring that all books, forms, and records and all other sources of information with regard to the business shall at all times be available for inspection. Second, a statute demanding free access to the books and papers and other sources of information with regard to the business. Third, a requirement that private business records be open to the inspection of the police upon demand. And fourth, a statute mandating that businesses at the end of each and every business day fax certain business records from that day to the local police department. So here are the key takeaways from this decision. First, the Fourth Amendment protects papers. It explicitly says so. Second, the Fourth Amendment applies to businesses and applies to business papers, business records, whether they're kept electronically on computers or cell phones, or whether we're talking about physical papers. Third, if the government wants to search your papers or your property, it needs a warrant. And to get a warrant, it needs evidence of actual wrongdoing by you. Fourth, don't be afraid to assert your rights. Remember that these agents work for you, you don't work for them. And Ohio entrepreneurs should not be treated as criminals simply because they're in business, especially when there's no evidence that they've hurt anybody or done anything wrong. So in conclusion, I'd like to thank our clients for standing up for their rights. Those clients are Liberty Coins out of Delaware, Ohio, and Worthington Jewelers in Worthington, Ohio, 2 stand-up, really high-quality businesses. And you can learn more about this case and other cases by following us at ohioconstitution.org. You're always free to donate. We do not accept any sort of payment from our clients or obviously from any government source whatsoever. And finally, if you have a case idea or another inquiry, feel free to email us. Email me directly, mthompson@ohioconstitution.org. Thank you.